In today's video, I am going to teach you how to put off day on Zoho People. This process is done inside your shift schedule settings, and it is useful when you need certain days to be treated as weekly off days for a specific shift. Before you begin, make sure you are signed in to Zoho People and you have access to attendance and shift scheduling. Also, it helps to know which shift you want to update, especially if your organization uses multiple shift patterns. Once you are in Zoho People, look to the left sidebar and click Attendance. This is where Zoho People groups time and schedule-related tools, including shifts, attendance logs, and other tracking options. After attendance opens, stay on the left sidebar within this section and select Shift Schedule. This takes you to the area where shifts are listed and managed. Now find the shift that you want to edit. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct one, since shift names can sometimes look similar. Next to that shift, click the Edit icon, which looks like a small pencil. Clicking the pencil opens the shift settings so you can change details like working days and weekly offs. In the Shift Edit view, locate the Week Off section. This is the part that controls which days are automatically considered off days for that shift. Under Week Offs, check the boxes for the specific days you want to set as off, such as Saturday and Sunday. Choose only the days that match your policy for that shift, because these selections affect how the system interprets expected attendance for people assigned to it. After you have checked the correct days, review your selections briefly to avoid mistakes. This is especially important if different teams follow different work weeks. Once everything looks right, your shift will now reflect those weekly off days. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.